What does a typical polka sound like? Have you ever wondered what a typical polka sounds like? Let's take a closer look at this lively dance tune that is a staple of Irish music and culture. A typical Irish polka is known for its upbeat and cheerful vibe. It is usually played in a 2/4 time signature, which gives it a distinct rhythm. The melody is straightforward and less complex compared to other Irish dance tunes such as reels or jigs. The rhythm of a polka features a strong downbeat followed by a lighter upbeat. This creates a bouncy and energetic feel that makes you want to dance. Polkas are generally brisk in tempo, making them quick and easy to follow. Unlike reels that have a flowing 4/4 rhythm or jigs with their 6/8 hopping rhythm, polkas maintain a simple 2-beat pulse. This simplicity is part of what makes them so enjoyable. In Ireland, especially in the southwest regions like County Kerry and Sliabh, Luachra, polkas hold a special place in traditional music and dance culture. They are often played with a forceful style that suits dancing perfectly. However, some musicians from Kerry have developed a more relaxed and ornamented approach. This allows listeners to appreciate the music even when they are not dancing. You might hear subtle embellishments and a gentle touch in these versions, which add a layer of musical interest while keeping the polka's lively rhythm intact. For travelers in Ireland, experiencing polkas during traditional music sessions or local dances is a vibrant way to connect with Irish culture. The clear rhythm and lively pace of polkas invite everyone to join in, whether you are dancing or simply enjoying the tunes. Instruments commonly used in polkas include the fiddle, accordion, and flute. These instruments contribute to the bright and rhythmic sound that is characteristic of polkas. So, next time you hear a polka, you will know it is a lively dance tune with a simple yet engaging rhythm that embodies the spirit of Irish music and culture.